Viewers, well, just excuse the fan, it's bloody hot. I ordered another CSB battery for my NBN UPS. There's a Century one, the other Yuasa one. It's starting to get a little bit too hot, so I've been monitoring it the last couple of weeks. And while I tested fine, and it tested fine on my battery tester, it's getting abnormally hot, which is not something I really like. Especially in the UPS, you got the circuit board up here, and that heat's just going to ruin the capacitors. So, yeah, I'm going to use that battery in something else. I'm going to put a new one in it for the NBN, because the heat from the battery, I don't really like it in a UPS like that, especially when you've got capacitors up here. And yeah, while risk damaging a UPS with a battery that's still good, but the ESR is a bit high and it's getting abnormally hot. So it's near the end of its surface life anyway. Rather than risk it cooking my UPS to death, I'm cheap enough to put a new battery in it. This is a 9 amp hour CSB. It's a non-heavy duty one. It's the same as the other one I got with heavy duty. This is the same but not the heavy duty one. So it's not the 8-year lifespan one, but still a very good battery. I like these CSBs. I'm quite fond of them. They're very good. A trusted manufacturer. I could have got a Yuasa, they're good too, but Yuasa don't seem to go in 9 amp hour in this size. So I got the CSB in 9 amp hour. I could have bought a cheaper one, I said, but nah, I'll stick to this brand. Most recommended, it's the best, especially a known bloody company. Buying all these cheap generic stuff from J-Cut or generic stuff from China, I wouldn't trust it. So stick to what I trust, and that's Hitachi and the like. They know batteries really well, and they can make them properly. So when I top it up to what's recommended 14.4 volt, or when it sits on standby after about half an hour, I'll test it at 13.8 volt mark. It was at 12.65 volt mark out of the package. I just received it today. Tested at 180 feet cold cranking out, 15 milliohms, but I'm going to do a little, leave it on here for a little bit. And then when it's at the standby 13.5 volt, I'll test it at that voltage and run it on the side, on the front here. So when it's in the UPS, I open the front and it's all here. When I installed it, the cold cranking amp and the LEA when it's new. That's my reference. Oh yeah, use this as I did last time, use it as a reference when it's new. I also raided this out of the scrap metal bin. It's only going to scrap anyway. If the test's good, if not, well, no big loss. But it doesn't smell burnt. Something to play with on the VFD. It's an Italian made Lafayette motor. Instead of that generic stuff that you can buy nowadays, just mech trick. They sell a lot of electric motors cheaper, but they're just generic stuff. I will stick to known brand stuff. So we'll just see if it tests with a Mega. We'll open it up, do some tests, and I'll have some fun with it in the VFD if it tests good. One if it will. And black wire looks kind of, it's not burnt. I'll pull it apart later anyway. I've got a new terminal cover for this tool off another scrap electric motor from my old, I had from my old stash. It's a 3-phase, half kilowatt, 0.75 horsepower, or in Delta, 60 hertz, you get 0.63 kilowatt. That's handy to know. Anyway, if it tests good in the Mega, I'm going to have some fun revving the crap out of it on the VFD, but I'll always have practical uses for these, like the last electric motors I had, 3-phase motors I had. They're very handy to mess around with, especially for little things like fans and little electric oil pumps and things like that. Handy to have, especially if you can pick them up out of the scrap bin. If it's buggered, well, it's going straight back in the scrap bin. But I'll take the terminal block off and all that sort of stuff off it if it is buggered, because those things are handy. Take the shroud off and maybe the fan. Depending on the motor though, they do little parts, especially the terminal blocks, are coming useful. Anyway, I hear a bird. Anyway, there's some good fun things that come up in the next few videos, so that'll be enough for now. Thanks for watching.